following day, carpentering on my own whilst she is attacked by means of lost face and left hospitalized. Out of town, extra estranged older sister Sam Artisan is knowledgeable about the attack with the aid of Wes Hicks, one in every of Tara's pals. Sam returns to Woodsboro with her boyfriend Richie to go to Tara at the clinic, where Sam is reunited with Tara's pal institution, Wes, Amber Freeman, twins Chad and Mindy Meeks Martin, and Liv McKenzie. Liv's summer season fling Vince Schneider, Stu Macher's nephew, is killed via Ghostface out of doors a bar.
At the medical institution, Sam is attacked by means of Ghostface and tells Tara that she has been dealing with hallucinations of Billy Loomis, who Sam discovered as a teenager changed into her organic father. Sam's actual parentage resulted in their who's divorced from Gale Weathers. They ask for his assist in stopping the killer, and he contacts Gale and Sidney Prescott, warning them approximately the go-back of Ghostface. Dewey joins the young adults at Mindy and Chad's home and is reunited with the twins' mother Martha, the sister of the past Randy Meeks. Due to the 3 attacks having targeted people associated with the original killers, Sam is accused of being the killer. Ghostface then murders Wes and his mother, Sheriff Judy Hicks, at the Hicks home. There, Dewey reunites with Gale, who has arrived on the town to cowl the tale. At the clinic, Tara and Richie are attacked via Ghostface, however are stored by way of Dewey and Sam. Dewey is killed when he attempts to kill Ghostface. Sidney arrives on the town after studying of Dewey's demise and meets each Gale and Sam on the hospital. Sidney asks Sam to assist forestall the killer, however Sam declines. She chooses to go away city with Richie and Tara, however they may be compelled to forestall at Amber's residence to retrieve an inhaler for Tara. Sidney and Gale observe them to Amber's residence, that is found out to be Stu's former domestic in which the unique Woodsboro bloodbath took place. There, Chad and Mindy, Amber pulls out a gun and shoots 54 within the head, revealing herself as Ghostface. Once Air Current and Sir Philip Sidney arrive, Amber shoots and injures Air Current. Richie then stabs Guided Missile and divulges himself to be Amber partner. Richie and Amber take Sam, Sidney, and Gale into the room wherever they reveal they're superfans of the Stab film series, which had custom-made the previous Ghostface killing sprees as films before shift to original stories, who met online. Unsuccessful in the mechanical phenomenon. The most recent film, Rian Johnson's Stab 8, they determined to commence a brand new killing spree, conveyance back to the original cast to produce new and improved source material for a future requel Stab film. Richie seduced Guided Missile on Amber's behalf so as to border her in order that they may stay unengaged to kill again. Hurricane breaks free and shoots Golden, who lands on the stove and is set on fire. Sam is harmed, but a visualization of Billy focuses her to Amber's surrendered cut. Tara and the Meeks twins are taken to the clinic, and Sam much obliged Sidney and Storm for their offer assistance sometime recently, choosing to halt taking her antipsychotic medicine. Storm denies to type in almost the unused murders since she does not need to donate the executioner's reputation. She plans to compose a tribute to Dewey instead.